O Vice President Kariu M. Venkaya Naidu hagasau trik risau ula pelat patba ekakot kebelai kerteng indigenous habitat vestiges of ancestral life in India's northeast. Berulai shimpenta haga workshop lor kapang changing role of Northeastern Council in the development of Northeastern region. Kablalong haga Northeastern Council hasilong. Hakini kejingalang ledon lang Menteri Rang Ba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma Menteri Kesorkar Pedeng Ubakmi Ekatna Development of Northeastern Region Dona Ujiki Reddy Menteri Kena Kesorkar Pedeng Ubakmi Ekatna Dona Ubi El Verma Bat Kiwe Vice President Habakran Kum Ukongsan Ulong Bakari India Kanomla Ban Kieu Lada Dang Don Kitan Kiberang Saadien Bat Lada Katan Stelam Mingi Ka Kieu Kari India Ru Kan Kieu Lang Nrei Lada Katan Stelam Mingi Ka Saadien Kum Takari Ru Kan Saadien Lang Ulong Bakari Kadai Bantrai Kam Kum Kakenhun Kata Pedeng Kesorkar Jela Bat Kibor Shnong Ban Nitrei Lang Hakabedai Bat Kimat Baper Bat Banwengi Kijing Ea UM Venkaya Naidu lero ke North Eastern Council halor ke jing la jongka ban ai jing syakri ki pat ba bat ban kentiau ya kathan barok kawai baru ulong bakadai ban trai bahas syo ban kentiau ya kathan ulong ba amla ban diang lada kikam kijam kisuki palat bat on omla ban diang da lele ru lada kerukom trai kam kalong ke basneu bha hendrai de banele ban trai kakam na ke babha sya ke bakam bha syo Vice President ulaban jurru bade ban penti kena bandon kejing kenjing dia bat kejing terekam ke bandon ke bakoj ha kanu ke program jong ke sarkar bat ula ongru bag skim kum ke direct benefit transfer kan long kejing rap ya barok kitu ke biyo jing mentoy leng ba jongka ula ong bah kejing pen krek kari ban rakhe kejing dap nyop san snem kejing yok lat luoj kalong ke bandon kam ban pendo jat kejing dok ban weng ya kejing lek siliang khmat ban pen kelai ke puli putih hakikam ajing sumar bat kiwe daga batau kari India kum kari ke bakot ke bakia ke bala nang lastat bat baki breu kidai ke bala pentebet ila dia habarok kiliang.
Friends, world is changing very fast in many ways. And India is swiftly transforming itself to emerge as one of the major economies of the world. We have the potentiality. We have to put in place a number of robust far-reaching progressive policies. We have initiated a number of programs that are intended to improve the quality of life of our people. Different states have different models. Different states are ruled by different political parties. There are experienced people. So all these ideas has to be combined, and then India must work as a team India. Team India should consist central government, state government, and also the local bodies. This is more important. And what I want to stress today is, if you want to accelerate the programs towards sustainable, inclusive development, Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, Sabka Viswas, and Sabka Prayas. India's progress cannot be complete if there is uneven progress in various states and regions. If the Northeast region progresses, India progresses. If the region lags behind, India lags behind. We have a big dream of our country. As we celebrate 75 years of independence, plan for the next 25 years, we wish to see a distinct transformation in the way we govern ourselves, the way we wish to shape public policies, and the way we empower people through citizen-centric programs. Eliminating extreme poverty, that should be the top. Second, reducing disparities among regions and among people, and narrowing rural-urban development gaps. You have enough experience, I did not tell you. The Northeast is deprived of some of the development because of insurgency, because of the terrorist groups here and there taking to arms. Taking arms is no solution at all. Dialogue, understand, and then decide. That should be the way forward. I am happy that more people are moving in Northeast region is moving in the direction. Valuable lives have been lost. valuable time has been lost. Now we must put an end to this and move towards development, speedy development, all-round development. That should be our goal. In this, central government, state government, people, civil society, they all have an important role.